Welcome back, students. Today we are going to discuss our chapter Fun with Magnets and its parts 2. Magnetic compass. Magnetic compass is an instrument which has a tiny magnet in the form of needle at its center. This magnetic needle always aligns in the north-south direction. A compass is used to find direction at a place. The north pole of compass is painted in different color like red to distinguish it from the south pole. Two compasses commonly used are the ship compass and the pocket compass. Now look at the diagram. There is direction mentioned in the magnetic compass. North pole, south pole, east, west and a magnetic needle. One side of magnetic needle is painted with red to distinguish it from the other side, that it is always aligned in north direction. Attraction and repulsion between magnet. A magnet will either attract or repel another magnet. This depends on which pole of the magnet are facing each other. If the magnet are facing the same end, like south pole, so they are called like poles. Like poles repel each other. If the magnet's ends are facing different ends like south pole, north pole, they are called unlike poles. Unlike poles attract each other. Make your own magnet. A very simple way to use a magnet is to magnetize a piece of iron. This method of making magnet is called stroke method. In this method, we have to move a magnet over an iron bar from one end, that is one pole, to another end, other pole. Any alloy containing iron can be magnetized. The material that can be magnetized are cobalt and nickel. Non-magnetic material cannot be magnetized. Now look at the diagram. This is the way how you can make your own magnet. Loss of magnetism. Heating a magnet to high temperature beyond a point. Dropping a magnet from a considerable height. Hammering. Hitting a magnet with a hammer. Keeping the magnet close to other magnetized material like cassettes, mobile, television sets, computers or hard disk. Storing a magnet. Magnets tend to become weak after some time if you are not storing properly. This is called self-demagnetization. To retain the properties of magnetism in magnet, they may be stored as given below. Bar magnets are kept in pair in a bar magnet keeper. In this, the two magnets are separated by a piece of wood with unlike poles alongside each other. Horseshoe magnets are stored by keeping a soft iron bar across their ends. Uses of a magnet. Magnets are used to close objects like refrigerator door, cupboard latches. Magnets are used in the toy, paper holder, pencil box, etc. Magnets are used to find direction. They are used in compasses to know north, south, east, west direction. Strip of magnetic material are used in the credit card, debit card and ATM card to store information. Magnets are used in the scanning machine like magnetic resonance imaging, that is called MRI. Magnets are used to separate and recycle metal trash from the scrap. Magnets are used in the computer hard drive, cassette tapes, cassette recorders, and etc. I hope you can understand this chapter very well. Thank you.